I used to have a scarcity mentality around time, money, energy. I never had enough. It was never enough time to get stuff done. I was always trying to find ways to get more. So the idea that there's never enough, more is better. And I have found through this work, by slowing down, by spending more time in the morning preparing for my day instead of like rushing into my day. So a morning routine or meditation or mindset or gratitude or journaling, I can actually get more done in less time. And the more that I get done is creative and like pretty amazing versus like trying to do it on my own, like with my own energy. And I'm shocked that I can finish what I need to get done at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock and go pick up the kids instead of working late into the night on my own strength. It just feels like I'm partnering with something bigger than myself. And that has allowed more joy, more ease, and just enjoying the stage that I'm in instead of always wanting to be at the next thing. I'm kind of happy right now.